Hello everybody, today is Friday, November 6th. It's 2:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the markets today, and we have more than a fantastic day going for the auto trader. It's a fairly sensational day. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, just want to confirm today's date up here in the title bar. We have a live position here in the bonds and 30-year Treasury on the Super Renko 5-tick, currently short one contract with an open P&L of 718 and a closed P&L of 375. I want to bring over the time and sales to confirm the time. It's 2:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, E-mini S&P trading at 2090. Okay, so as stated, a lot of systems are firing in the positive territory today. So here's the bonds, 30-year Treasury. Okay, so next up is the DAX on the Precision Renko with a 300% reversal, and this hit its profit goal of 2,500. And you can see the trades here. These are all limit orders on pullbacks. So remember, the entry was actually here, and then when the position closed, it kind of lines up. Not sure why it does this on the DAX, but it does. So your pullback entry was along, and it pulled back to the tail here, and then exited here. And that was it. It hit its goal here. So just to look at the equity curve, there was one small loser right off the open, and then, or the beginning of trading, there was actually a small loser here. You see it in the equity curve. But then after that, it looks like we had 7 or 8 winners in a row, and here they all are here. So fantastic performance on the DAX. So the DAX actually really on fire today. Next up is the DAX on our line break algorithm. And there's a number of trades here, and it hit its profit goal of 2,200. Notice our trades are labeled and there is no H next to these trades, and then here's where the trade was closed. Usually our label indicates the closing P&L. So if the profit goal is touched, it exits at a market order. Okay, next up is the crude oil and the Super Renko 10-tick. And this is also using our line break algorithm. And there was 2 trades for a total of $910 profit on 2 contracts, or 91 ticks. And here's the 2 trades here. All right, next up is the gold contract on the Super Renko 6-tick. And we had a fantastic short trade right at the beginning of trading. The system starts trading at 8:20, and that was perfect timing to catch this short. And that was it. It was just this giant short trade, and then a losing trade here brought it down slightly for a closed P&L of $1,520 on 2 contracts. Okay, we have a few more charts on the DAX. This one, again, is using our line break algorithm. This is on a Uni Renko with a slightly different setup here. This one just shy of its daily goal and did a P&L of 1575. So here the entry and exit look fairly normal. Again, there's just no explanation why they line up like this here. It may have something to do with the profit targets, but this one is staggered a little bit. Nevertheless, 1575 on 2 contracts, and our profit goal is 2050 for the day. And this will trade for another 30 minutes, so see what happens. Okay, another chart on the DAX with the line break algorithm using our Uni-Renko bars. And this one here hit its profit goal of 2,000. The BWT line break algorithm unique to Blue Wave. So a little drawdown in the beginning, and then all the way up here on its equity curve. So scrolling back on the trades here. Okay, so this is the DAX on the same size Uni-Renko chart, except we're not using the line break algorithm. We're using the regular volatility algorithm on this one. And this one only has a goal of 1,500, so that was obviously hit because it stopped at 1,450. And so here's the trades on this one, not using the line break algorithm. So a little bit of a drawdown in the beginning, and then coming back strong to hit its profit goal. Okay, another chart of the DAX on the Super Renko 10 tick with the line break algorithm, only doing 425, modest gain here. E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 8 tick with a modest gain of $312. I plotted a chart of the Aussie dollar futures on the line break algorithm, a modest gain of 270 here. Now I think the first chart I showed was the bonds on the Super Renko 5 tick. This is the 30-year Treasury on the Super Renko 6 tick, and it looks like it just closed its position here for a gain of 1,062. Trading 2 contracts. And then finally, the crude oil contract on the Uni-Renko, I think this is the only one I left out, had a gain of 770 on 2 contracts, or 77 ticks. And that's all for today's video. Quite an excellent performance with almost every chart showing a profit today. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website. Send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com or give us a call at the number on the website. Thanks for watching today.